We are going to learn about rules of logarithms and their proofs. First, product rule. Log xy to the base b equals to log x to the base b plus log y to the base b. Let's check this whether it's true or not. Let log x to the base b equals to m. The exponential form will be b power m equals to x. Let log y to the power base b equals to n. Then b power n will be y. So let's multiply x and y. X and y multiplication will be b power m into b power n, right? So according to product rule in exponents, b power m into b power n will be b power m plus n. So let's convert this again to the logarithm form. Log xy to the power base b equals to m plus n. We have m and n, we assume, right? So that will be log x to the base b plus log y to the base b. Hence this is proved. Now let's discuss about quotient rule. Log of x by y to the base b equals to log x to the base b minus log y to the base b. Let's prove this again. Let log x to the base b be m and log y to the base b be n. So converting to the exponential forms, these will be b power m equals to x and b power n equals to y. So let's divide x and y. X by y equals to b power m by b power n. According to quotient rule in exponents, it will be b power m minus n, right? So let's convert this to logarithm form again. Log of x by y to the base b equals to m minus n. We assumed, right, log x to the base b minus log y to the base b. This is proved. And let's see the third rule, power rule. Log x power n to the base b equals to n log x to the base b. Let log x to the base b be s. So converting to the exponential form, b power s equals to x will be, let's power n on both sides. B power s whole power n equals to x power n, right? So it will be b power n sn equals to x power n. Then x power n will be b power sn. Let's convert to the logarithm form. Log x power n to the base b equals to s into n. That will be n into s, right? So that will be s means log x to the base b. So again, this is also proved. Let's see the next rule. Change of base rule. Log x to the base b can be written as log x to the base c by log b to the base c. Here again, let's assume log x to the base b as m. Will b power m equals to x, right? So apply log to the base c on both sides. We get log b power m to the base c equals to log x to the base c. We just learned power rule. So according to power rule, log b power m to the base c will be m into log b to the base c equals to log x to the base c. Let's send log to the other side. M, that is log x to the power base b equals to log x to the power base c by log b to the base c. So this is also proved. Let's see the next rule, zero rule. Log 1 to the base b equals to 0. So let's take log 1 to the base b equals to x. Then according to exponential form, it will be b power x equals to 1, right? So 1 will be b power 0. It can be written as. So x should be written for b to be 1, right? So x will be 0 for any case. So this is also proved. And now let's see identity rule, which says log b to the base b equals to 1. Let's take log b to the base b equals to m. B power m will be b, so it's b power 1. So m equals to 1 because uh, constants are same, exponent should be same. And now let's see equity rule, which says if log x to the base b equals to log y to the base b, then x will be y. So let's take log x to the base b, let it be m. B power m will be x. So log y to the power base b, again m. So b power m will be y. If both are same, then x can be y, right? So this is also proved. Now let's go to the another rule, inverse rule. It says b power log x to the base b equals to x. Let's take log x to the base b and let's assume it as m. Then according to exponential form, it will be b power m equals to x. M can be substituted as that m log x to base b equals to x. Hence this is also proved. And these are the, and we have one more rule, reciprocal rule. Log of 1 by x to the base b will be minus log x to the base b. Let's assume log of 1 by x to the base b as m. Then b power m will be 1 by x. X will be 1 by b power m, that equals to b power minus m. So according to the logarithm form, it will be log x to the base b equals to minus m. Minus m will be minus of log 1 by x to the base b. we can reverse it. It will be log of 1 by x to the base b equals to minus log x to the base b. So we have learned all the rules now. These are the rules which you should learn and remember. These are very important. You need not remember the proofs of these, but they are useful, and you need to remember all these formulas correct. Okay, thank you. Please follow the channel and subscribe.